Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on working wax temperature. So you can see we've got our two waxes on here, one of our peelables and our beautiful amethyst strip wax, and I've also got two options of thermometers. They're both digital, both quite similar but slightly different in price, and I want to show you why and how to have a thermometer available for your stuff, because one of the big inquiries we get is relating to temperature, and with synthetic waxes they do tend to heat particularly quickly, and they can also cool very quickly. So I'm just going to show you how the difference of the screen temperature, so you've got the output temperature of the heater shown here, but that isn't the working wax temperature that's going to go on to your client. So a thermometer, I highly recommend it. Now the white ones we currently have on our website, we sell those for $15.95, and they do have a little slip that you can keep it covered once it's clean and hygienic, so that is covered. So all you do is switch it on and just place it into the working part of the wax that you're going to be using. So I'm just going to move that lump out the way and just stick the tip of the wax, being very careful not to touch the metal, because if you touch the metal it's going to measure that as a temperature. So the temperature that you're going to see on the screen, anywhere 58, even 57 is still usable, up to about 62, 63. And about 20 seconds is all you need to have it in there for, and just keep a wax strip with some equipment cleaner on it so that you can wipe that off and pop it straight into the little socket there to keep it safe for the next person. We've also got these black ones, so there's no difference, but I do recommend you do have a thermometer at hand, on hand for your staff, so that they're making sure the working wax temperature that goes onto your clients is as it's meant to be, anywhere from 58 up to about 63 degrees.